Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here, weatherweb.net, and thanks again for watching. This is your weekly flying outlook, updated on Sunday evening, the 6th of October. Now, quite a deceiving chart for Monday. We've got high pressure down towards the south, but this moist southwesterly flow, what this is going to do is bring lots of low cloud across many western coasts of the country, taking us into non-VFR conditions in these areas, I think, with some low clouds and drizzle through the day. These fronts pushing their way eastwards, bringing more persistent rain to western parts of Scotland and the west of Ireland. Further east, looks as if we are going to be in VFR conditions as the cloud breaks here and the cloud braces lift. Might be quite low at first. Could be some mist and fog patches as well down here across southern parts of England at first, but they'll be clearing away. The wind's generally southwesterlies at the surface, about 8 to 12 knots. I think typically 2,000 foot winds, probably around a 240 at around 20 knots across most of the country away from the far south coast. Now, visibility will be improving across the east as well, probably getting up to around 10 to 15 kilometres in the afternoon, but I still think it could be quite hazy. But out towards the west, I think where that drizzle is, we're going to be finding visibility down below 2 kilometres at times. Now, on to Tuesday, cold front clears away down towards the south during the course of Tuesday. That has some brighter weather behind it, but I think within this sort of zone here, could always find some cloud around. I think the base is typically around 1.5 to 2,000 feet on those bases. May just be thick enough to produce a few spots of rain, but generally looks as if it'll be dry. Dry weather follows in behind, brighter weather as well, with the cloud bases lifting, although always, I think, broken cloud in this zone, and I think some spots of rain affecting western Scotland, northern and western Ireland, but are generally getting better sort of day with the winds from the west. On to Wednesday now, and a change takes place on Wednesday. The winds come round to a northwesterly. I think across much of England and Wales we're in VFR conditions on Wednesday. Base is about 2 to 2,500 feet. However, these showers are going to be sinking their way southwards during the course of Wednesday across Scotland, across northern England and northern Ireland. Bases are down below 1,500 feet, I think, during the afternoon on Wednesday, and we could be finding some snow showers moving in as well. Across the north of Scotland, whiteout conditions at times, so really going into non-VFR there. I think generally we'll find conditions deteriorating across north of Wales, across the northern Midlands, across the northern parts of East Anglia as well through Wednesday, and becoming very windy across the north. For Thursday, I think it's an east-west split. I think this sort of zone in here is going to be generally in non-VFR conditions. Outbreaks of rain coming in from the east. I suppose kind of through this area here probably goes VFR at times, and I've got to say low confidence there, so we put a question mark on there. Out towards the west, though, looks much better. I think VFR here once morning mist and fog patches have cleared away, and then we should find it a pleasant day with bases of around 2,500 to 3,000 feet. Reasonable visibility, fairly misty though, or hazy. And then on Friday, high pressure still in control of things on Friday, but I do still think this southeastern quarter of the country is going to be in VFR to non-VFR at times. I think cloud, I think outbreaks of rain, I think bases around 1.5 to 2,000 feet again on Friday within that zone, and visibility at 5 to 10 kilometres typically with some outbreaks of rain. I think elsewhere mist and fog patches clearing away, and then we get into VFR conditions. I think typically around 5 to 10 kilometre visibility and a 3,000 foot base. So definitely the best of the areas of northern England, Scotland, Wales, southwest England and also Ireland during the course of Friday. And at the moment, looking as if north and west is best through the weekend. I think always the risk of some low cloud outbreaks of rain and fairly strong easterly winds across East Anglia, much of England and much of central and southern England, as well as eastern Wales through the weekend. But of course, we'll keep you updated through the week here at weatherweb.net. So once again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this forecast useful for you. Don't forget the site that you see here is kept completely free of charge by the adverts you're seeing around the screen. We are trying to get this forecast sponsored, so hopefully very soon we'll get sponsorship for it and we can really improve this forecast service for you. But for now, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.